So let's start the project development now. So the first thing we'll do is click on New Terminal from the Terminal menu to open a terminal window. I'm expanding the terminal window a little for ease of viewing. It is a good practice to develop Python projects in an isolated development environment. We can also use Docker for an isolated environment. Using Docker is a best practice for any project. I will soon share a tutorial series on complete professional project development using Docker, where you will see how a real-life project is developed nowadays. So subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss the tutorial series. So to create a virtual environment, type Python -m -venv -env and hit the Enter button. Here I have given env as the name of the virtual environment. You can give any name you want. To know more about virtual environment, the link is given in the description box. Here you see a directory named env has been created. If you expand it, you will see a subdirectory named scripts. Since I am developing the project on Windows OS, a subdirectory named scripts has been created. In case of Linux or Mac OS, it would have been created with the name bin, which I will show in the next section. Now we will activate the virtual environment, so type /env/scripts/active. Since this is Windows OS, / is being used. In case of Linux or Mac OS, it would have been /. Our virtual environment has been activated. Notice that our virtual environment is shown at the beginning. Now we will install the Django framework by typing pip install Django, which will be installed in our virtual environment. Our Django installation is complete. Every framework has its own ecosystem, so we have to follow its ecosystem to develop a project with Django framework. So our first task is to create a project? So type django-admin start project CRM and hit enter. Here CRM is the name of our project. Now we see that a new directory named CRM has been created. This is our Django project, where we see a file named manage.py, and this will act as the main driving force for our Django project. Now we will run our Django project. Now first we have to enter our project directory, so type cd/project name. In this case our project name is CRM. Now to run our Django project, type python manage.py run server. We see that our server is running on port 8000. Click the link. Great, our project has run successfully.